morning mga langga, this is Mars and welcome back to my channel. So today is a great day to film another Korean recipe, and since I'll be cooking Korean kimchi fried rice for our lunch, why not share with you guys my own easy recipe of Korean kimchi fried rice. So kung gusto niyo makabalo, magluto sine, just keep on watching mga langga. Now let's get cooking! So right now I'm cooking our rice. I love cooking our rice sa ganitong pot. It's called the caldero. Yeah, so I have to turn low. I have to turn the fire low na kasi malapit na siyang maluto. Ito yung rice na gagamitin natin for kimchi rice, fried rice.
The crispy fried challenge.
I just love Mark Wayne's. I love watching his vlogs. My favorite.
And the stock is so beefy and so rich.
So first we need to cut our kimchi into small pieces or small sizes. Mas maganda yung kimchi na nag-ferment na talaga for a week or more. Kasi yung lasa ng kimchi talagang lalabas sa ating fried rice. Next, ay heat natin yung pan. And then, lagyan natin yung ating vegetable oil. O kung anumang oil, cooking oil na meron kayong available sa inyong bahay. Then, pag mainit na, ilagay na natin yung ating kimchi. Then, we will have to stir fry our kimchi for 1 to 2 minutes. Siguraduhin lang na hindi masunog yung ating kimchi. Next, i-mix na natin yung ating rice. Bagong saing yung rice na ginamit ko dito kasi wala naman akong natirang rice or natirang kanin kagabi. Pero very common sa ating mga Pinoy, no, na gamitin yung bahaw. Nakalimutan ko kung anong bahaw sa Tagalog. Gamitin yung bahaw na rice or natirang rice sa paggawa ng fried rice. Anyway, it's up to you. Kung mayroon ka mabahaw, pwede man na i-gamitin sa ito na kimchi fried rice. Kung wala, pwede man kaluto sa bago, diba? Why complicate things? Charot! Then, just mix well yung rice natin and kimchi. Minsan kasi may mga namumuong rice eh. So, kailangan natin i-mix talaga ng mabuti. Then, let's add some kimchi juice for more flavor sa ating kimchi rice. Let's add some water para hindi naman masyadong dry yung kimchi fried rice natin and para hindi naman masunog yung ating niluluto sa fry pan natin. Then, let's season it with a small amount of salt and small amount of black pepper na rin. Then, just mix all the ingredients for 3 to 5 minutes. For some, gusto nilang may meat yung fried rice nila. So, pwedeng-pwede po yung lagyan ng any meat like ham or pork or chicken sa inyong kimchi fried rice. Sa akin kasi gusto ko egg lang yung i-garnish ko dito mamaya. And for some, pwede nyo ring dagdagan ng gochujang o yung Korean red chili paste na sauce kasi nakakadagdag din yon ng flavor. Pero sa akin, hindi ko na nilagyan kasi okay na ako sa kimchi at saka kimchi juice. So, kailangan garnish din natin ito ng onion leaves and roasted sesame seeds. And if you have sesame oil sa bahay, pwede nyo ring lagyan ng sesame oil. Small amount lang. Pero if wala, okay lang, hindi naman problema. Wala lang sesame oil eh. And at this point, you can turn off the fire na and just mix all the ingredients well and just mix it together. And then kanina, nag-fry din ako ng egg because I will be putting this on top of our kimchi fried rice. And now our kimchi fried rice is done. So, ito-transfer na natin ito sa malinis na plate and ilalagay na natin yung fried egg on top of it. Di ba pa? Bebe, itong-tong ko nanay. So, let's try our kimchi fried rice with egg. Manamit gid. So, ay na mga langga ang aton final product sa aton na Korean kimchi fried rice. So, I hope na makatulong ito sa inyo sa paghahanap ng mga simple Korean recipe. And at the same time, naniniwala ko na if I can cook, you can also cook. Charot lang. Thank you very much mga langga for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more cooking recipe and Korean menu. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye! Mwah.